Saving a workbook. We can enter the data in a worksheet of a workbook. All these worksheets are saved together as a single workbook. To save the workbook, step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Choose Save As option in it. Step 3. Double click on Computer option. The Save As dialog box opens. Step 4. Enter a suitable name of the file in the file name box. Step 5. Click on the Save button to save your workbook permanently. Entering data in cells. Click on the cell in which data is to be entered. Type the desired data and press the Enter key. The data we type in the active cell also appears in the formula bar. Types of data. 3 types of data can be entered in an Excel worksheet. Text. Text data is a combination of letters and numbers. Text data cannot be used for mathematical calculations. By default, text data is left aligned in a cell. Number. Number data is formed using the digit 0 to 9. Arithmetic calculation can be performed on the number data. By default, number data is right aligned in a cell. Formula. We can create formulas in Excel spreadsheet using cell values or cell reference. The result of the formula is right aligned by default. Editing cell contents. Editing means overwriting or modifying cell contents. Let us learn to edit the contents of a worksheet. To overwrite the contents in a cell, click in the cell and type the new data and press the Enter key. To modify the contents of a cell, click in the cell and click at the formula bar or press the F2 key. The cursor will appear in the cell. Modify the contents and press the Enter key.